In this guide, I'm going to answer a common question: how to get Chrome extensions on iOS. Is it possible? Let's get started. Unfortunately, you can't install Chrome extensions directly on iOS. Unlike the desktop version of Chrome, the iOS version is built on Apple's WebKit engine, which does not allow support for Chrome extensions. But there are some workarounds if you want similar functionality. Use alternative browsers on iOS that supports extensions such as Firefox, Brave, or Aloha browser. These let you add certain add-ons directly from their own extension stores. Some Chrome extensions have their own iOS apps. For example, password managers, ad blockers, or productivity tools often have standalone apps you can install from the App Store. Likewise, you can also use Safari extension with iOS 15, and later Safari now supports extensions. So while you can't run full Chrome extensions on iOS, you do have solid alternatives to get the same experience. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.